What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Mercedes-Benz A250 right in front of us. Now let us take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks. One thing I love about the A-Class is when they made it a sedan, it looks much more luxurious to me. The hatchback is nice for the performance car. It's good that they have the sedan still, and the hatchback they have it for the A45, whatever that's remaining left. I mean, really cool looking car. Love the edginess of the car, at the same time how low it is, and also the color of the car blends in really well. So let's start off with the front. We have the amazing LED high performance lights. I like how it's jotting down like this in a straight line. That's beautiful. Inside there is written LED high performance. Very nice indeed. The bottom bumper right here, they have this gloss black finish. That's very nice for a silver car like this. And also you have this matte texture like finish happening all over the place until the other side. At the center right here, you got this. Love the design, some airflow happening down there, and also the chrome piece that's right in the center, so that's kind of nice for air to flow through on that side. Your radiator is parked right there, so your grille has the Mercedes-Benz starter grille, so that's kind of cool also as well. Your emblem badging, your number plate holder looks really good. Mercedes-Benz badging in black, also nice. And the top hood, I like how they have this, makes it look very aggressive for the front, and the lines that are popping in from left to right. Beautiful how it's connected to the front grille, makes it look very stunning, man. So from the side right here, let's talk about the wheels. Amazing looking wheels. They have it right in Continental tires. Tire size is 225/45 R18. You got your AMG wording right here on the wheel as well. It's grey color and a silver lining on the outside, so it's drill disc brakes for the front, as you can see. And then you got your Mercedes-Benz wording on the caliper. Mercedes-Benz badging in black, very nice indeed. Love the wheel arch, doesn't have anything that's jutting out or whatnot. It's all one whole piece, very cool. For the side profile of the car, you got this chrome lining that goes across the whole side all the way, very cool indeed. Silver side mirrors follow the body color of the car. Side right here looks good. Door handles are in chrome. Let's take a seat inside in a while more. But doors, once again, handle right here to pull to close the door. Opening up the door, window up and down, compartment storage down here, seat adjustments on this side. Love the finishing that you guys are seeing with this, looks good. Seats, love the red lining that's happening on the seats as well, so that's kind of cool. Let's jump right in, take a look what we actually see. So let me just first try to on the lights on the inside, so at least it's a little bit brighter because it's kind of dark. So here we go. Amazing dashboard design. Love the chrome finish that's happening right there. Dashboard looks good. Love the flat screen that comes across like that. Your place to keep your phone, your USB-C, cup holders, and also your driving mode selector, volume up, volume down, parking cameras, place to keep some stuff before you have it rolling around, things like that. You can close this if you wish to. Push that back. Air vent adjustments and amazing steering wheel design. So this is me sitting comfortably right in the front passenger seat. Seat belts are in black, very good. So let's get right down. Before that, good, looking good. So let's get right down, take a look at the rear. Once again, amazing looking design for the doors with this sort of like Dinamica finish, microfiber finish. Then also you get your window adjustments, opening up of the doors, handle to hold to pull to close the door, compartment storage down here, speaker goes right there. Front also you have a speaker, same place. Storage is good. For the back seat, let's have a seat inside right here. Comfortable sitting position. This is me sitting comfortably right at the rear. Front seats also comfortable, and seat belts are good in black. USB-C connectivity, compartment storage right here to keep some stuff. Amazing layout of what you guys are seeing in the center. So let's hop right in. Before that, underneath right here, got two cup holders. There we go, very nice indeed. Let's push that back. So this is center sitting position. Headroom is good, very nice. Let's open up the doors. Let's get right down. Let's see what else is here. So wheels, once again, Continental tires. Tire size 225/45 R18. Grayed out wheel with the silver lining on the outside. Solid disc brakes for the back, and also you got your AMG wording right there on the wheel. So yeah, Continental tires, good, looking good. I like it. So for the back, 4Matic, this is an all-wheel drive car, so you have it right here, A250 badging, Mercedes-Benz chrome wording right there, sorry, badging. And also underneath right here got this chrome lining that goes across with some sort of like aggressive looking rear diffuser with your exhaust pipes right under there as well. So that is very nice indeed. You got two, left and right. Let's open up the boot, show you guys. The seats you're able to fold down as well, this and that, and you go all the way here and you just pull it back down. There we go, all the way here as well. Very nice indeed. So plenty of storage you guys are getting for a car like this. Once again, take a look, beautiful space. So for the front, let's take a look at the driver's side. Doors look good. You got your window adjustments right here, side mirror adjustments, handle to open up the doors, lock, unlock, opening up the boot. You have your compartment storage down here, speaker goes right there, looks good as well. Seat adjustments on this side, 3 memory seats given, Mercedes-Benz wording right there, AMG wording on the carpet, spot pedals, brake and the accelerator. Love the red stitching that's on all the seats actually. Very nice microfiber like design. Let's jump right in. Steering wheel manually adjustable, and that's what we're looking at. So amazing steering wheel like design, flat bottom, and also you have your controls to control this screen, this to control that screen. You got your voice command, volume up, volume down, answering the call, rejecting the call, negative shift over here, positive shift over this side. Cruise control settings are over this side, so that's kind of nice. Drive, reverse, you know, things like that. Parking, wiper adjustments on this side, so very cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat, so very nice indeed. Let's now turn on the lights, show you guys how do they look like. So for the front, as you can see, let's take a nice cover photo for the front. Here we go with my hand right there, nice. So those lines that you guys are getting, one whole line, looks really good as well. LED high performance, not the multi-beam, also does the job beautifully. Petrol tank goes right there. Let's close this and take a look at the rear. Looks good. A250 wording right there. You got your brake lights lighted up like this. Very cool looking car indeed, man. So now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys. And here goes. So side mirror has your signal indicator coming right there, and also for the two front, left and right, it blinks off into this. Very cool looking. And for the back, let's move to the rear and check out the signal lights right underneath the brake light. So very cool looking car indeed. So that is it guys for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes-Benz cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage in PJ, where you'll be able to locate this car and many more other cars that these guys have on display, even right down there as well. It's where they have their test drive stuff that's happening all over here. So it's a beautiful showroom along the Federal Highway. Everybody can see it. So amazing place to be. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.